Railway workers don begin 3 days warning strike. Railway staff don shut down operation for 26 stations nationwide for 3 days as dem demand make government increase dem salary.
Yes. The whole system is grounded. You know, the railway cuts across 26 states in Nigeria, and we have a trend that runs between Warri and Itakpe. Is grounded. We have a trend that runs between Abuja to Kaduna. That one is equally grounded, as you can see them here. We have another trend runs between Lagos and Ibadan on standard gauge. We still have a trend that runs on narrow gauge between Lagos to Kano. We have pipe trains that runs on narrow gauge between Lagos to Zaria. We have pipe trains that runs from Warri to Itakpe. And we have Aba-Port Harcourt train. We have Kano-Unguru trains. All these trains are not moving today.
So workers dey earn as low as 26,000 naira when dey below $50 monthly. Train workers say dem salary no dey reach dem cover their basic needs as inflation strong for Naija.
If the welfare of the workers has not been taken care of, this infrastructure that you have entrusted in these people, they are not happy. So it's going to be a waste investment within a short period of time. And as a respectable union, as a reasonable union, we don't want to see that happening. But can we continue like this? We told him that, you are even pointing out that in the railway we are collecting poorer salary. We are generating 32 million naira every day. 32 million naira. When you do in a month, that means approximately we are generating almost 1 billion naira. 1 billion naira, you cannot be able to think of the welfare of the people that are equally doing all these things. We can't continue like this. We can't work as slaves. We told him that the era of slavery has gone.
It's high time. The suffering is much. I joined this service about almost 2 decades now. Imagine, and the salary is not encouraging. So now we're coming out now en masse for this Aluta, the 3 days warning strike, so that at least federal government will see reason to do something about the salary. The salary structure is poor. We are the poorest. We are the least paid parastatal among the rest parastatal, and this is not supposed to be.
With this 3-day strike, government go lose millions of naira if they no quick resolve am. E fit affect other businesses for the country. Pentecost Ogorure from TMC News.